Hello there, you need any help?
Okay. Yeah, if you can fix my car and kind
Yeah,
of get it out of the fence,
I'll see what I can do here.
please. Would be
I'll try to move it out here first, and then I'll see if I can repair it.
thank you. Oh shit! I accidentally shot. Oh shit! I'm sorry. Okay, it seems to be stuck. Any idea?
Is there any valuables in your truck here?
There is, yeah.
There is, alright. So
Food.
I'm trying to be careful here to make sure that I don't cause any more damage.
Maybe you can like give it a push with your car, maybe,
Yeah, I was thinking I might try that.
truck. Yeah, since you can like go. Oh shit.
Oh boy. That's not what I was expecting.
Oh.
Oh boy, oh shit. Look at it go. Oh boy. Oh wow.